You are watching the Diary of a Suburban Farmer. I'm making these videos as I move towards a more sustainable way of life, and I'm going to document my experience so that you know what to do and what not to do when learning how to eat fresh from your garden. In this episode, I talk about what I do to make a homemade fertilizer or plant feed. During the growing season, you're going to need to feed your plants, especially if you're growing in containers. Now, yes, of course, you have certain plant feeds for certain types of plants. I get that. But this video is really about how to make an all-purpose fertilizer to help add nutrients to your plants. Now, on this plate here, I have a banana peel, some eggshells, a tea bag. This is a bit of grass, a lettuce leaf, a couple of lettuce leaves. That's compost. That's a rose. And then there's some flowers, some petals here, and the stalk. I'm going to use all of this. It doesn't have to be these ingredients here. You can use just whatever you have laying around to make up a feed. I mean, yes, you get potassium from the banana and calcium from the eggshells, but if you don't have those, just use what you can find. Essentially, you're just looking for things that you would normally put in the compost bin. So just half fill a milk bottle or some sort of container with water. And then just add the bits in. A bit of banana that can go in. Once all the ingredients have been added, all you need to do is give it a shake. And that's it. Just leave it to sit for 2 weeks now. Let it do its business, let it ferment. Sometimes you need to take the lid off, sometimes you can leave the lid on, but I tend to vary it. And that's how I make a homemade plant feed. You are watching the Diary of a Suburban Farmer.